How to remove a payment card on Amazon app. The very first thing you want to make sure that you have already downloaded the application Amazon on your device. Once you have the application on your device, open it. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is head over to your profile section at the bottom and then move into your account. Scroll all the way down and inside payment section, you will see the option where it says your payments. Click on it. You will be landing on this page. In this page, you will see the list of the card that you have added on your Amazon app. In my page, you can see none of the card is available. But for you, if you have added the payment method, it will be available here. All you want to do is click on it. Once you click on it, different options will be visible to you. And the option to remove the card will also be visible. You simply have to click on remove. Once you click on remove, your payment method will be removed successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove the payment method on Amazon app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.